How do you make a meal that improves your mood? What exactly does it look like? Keep watching and I'll show you how. I'm Rowan Foster and I'm an expert in physical and mental well-being. This is Growth Factor and our aim is to provide you with a toolbox of life skills so that you become better at navigating through life's adversities. After spending much of my life fighting to overcome my own struggles with mental health and life setbacks, I'm now on a journey to discovering the many different methods that we can use to not only cope, but thrive in times of adversity. In this channel, I will explore many of the holistic methods that we can use to promote personal growth as well as positive well-being, so that you can instead be empowered to live your best life. As I mentioned in some of my previous videos, you are what you eat. So what you put in your gut directly affects the way you feel. Remember, the gut is connected to the brain by the vagus nerve, whose job is to send sensory information between the two. When the environment inside your gut is healthy and happy, the same will apply to your mood. In this video, I'm going to show you a meal that has the ability to boost your mood, whilst easing the effects of anxiety and depression. Let's get going. So here we are in the kitchen. The meal I've chosen is a smoked mackerel and Mexican bean salad on a bed of spinach. Let's move on and talk about it some more. The reason why I've chosen it is because it's packed full of nutrients that are incredibly good for you and do an amazing job of promoting a happy and healthy gut environment. As you can see, we've got the smoked mackerel. We've also got the Mexican bean salad that contains red onions and some peppers, but also chipotle and lime sauce with a little bit of cumin in there too, and the bed of spinach, plus also a little bit of mashed avocado. And here's the recipe. Each of these ingredients are excellent at helping to improve your mood. Dark leafy greens such as spinach are nutrient dense with lots of vitamins and minerals. In particular, they contain folate, which helps to fight off depression. This is important because studies show that about 1/3 of patients suffering from depression were deficient in folate. They're a great source of prebiotics, with the fibre in the leafy greens helps to clear the gut of any stagnant food that harvests bad bacteria, providing a much friendlier environment for good bacteria. They also contain phytochemicals which regulate hormones. Oily fish such as mackerel are an essential source of omega-3s. Omega-3s are rich in two essential fatty acids, DHA and EPA, which are believed to significantly lower levels of depression. Not only this, but they also contribute towards improved brain development and cell signalling. If you like and have gained value from what you've seen so far, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you're interested in learning more about similar topics, please subscribe to my channel now, where I'll regularly be releasing more content on the similar subjects. Now, let's continue with how to make a meal that improves your mood. Avocados are another great source of omega-3s. They are also high in folate. Both of these combined together do an excellent job of lowering feelings of depression and boosting the quality of your mood. Beans are an excellent source of B vitamins and are responsible for increased levels of mood-boosting neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine and norepinephrine. Onions are another good source of folate which is again responsible for the production of mood-increasing neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine and norepinephrine. Folate also prevents homocysteine from building up, which can prevent nutrients from getting to the brain. Peppers are packed with vitamin C, which helps neurotransmitters function properly. They also contain vitamin B6, which, as we said earlier, supports the production of mood-boosting hormones serotonin and norepinephrine. When we eat chilies, it stimulates nerve endings, which triggers a release of endorphins, one of the brain's natural painkillers. Endorphins are the same hormones that are created when we experience a runner's high. Remember, if you have gained value from this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And to see videos containing more information discussing similar topics, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now, where I'll regularly releasing similar content. But also, if there is a subject that you're interested in and would like me to cover in my videos, please message me in the comments box. So, there's an example of the type of meal that I create when I feel the need to lift my mood. I hope this has given you some insight and inspiration on how to create your own. Thanks for watching.